Hey guys, what's up? So, I don't know how long I'm gonna have just because George is napping and I had to call off work for a few hours. I'm waiting on my dad, but I did order the Trend Moon, Trend, Trendmood Morphe haul collab thing. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. So, um, you get 6-piece makeup collection. It's curated by Trend Mood 1 XOXO Sophie. So this is my first ever Trend Mood box. I'm kind of excited. Oh, and then look at that. It has like the little thing. Make sure that you guys watch till the end. There's something special for you guys. I honestly wasn't going to, yeah, I wasn't going to post this yet, but I'm going to now. So let's see what's in here. It's like the Morphe, normal Morphe box that you tend to get whenever you order Morphe products. And it's been a long night. So let's open it. Most people already know what is in here. And here it is. Beautiful. There's some products that I have not tried. I'm excited to give it a try. Swova Beauty. It's like a, what brush is this? It's a liner brush. I've never really tried any liner brushes. I'm not a fan of it, but this is, you get one of these. Um, Make it big. What is this? It is a brush tip liquid liner. Ooh. Not a big fan of liquid liners. I do have some because of pharmacy. I sell pharmacy, of course. You guys already knew that. But I don't do a lot of liquid liners. I have a Huda Beauty liquid liner duo thing, which has the liner, the liquid liner, and then also the pencil. But yeah, that's actually pretty nice. Alright, it's like pretty much dry. Are you supposed to shake it? Okay, well, either way, I'm not going to use this, but it sucks that it's like pretty much dried out. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I need to like shake it up more. Who knows? Alright, my next thing I'm getting is the Morphe Happy Glaze Lip Gloss, number 2. It is called Grateful. It's like a really cute. Ooh, wow. That is shimmery, shimmery. Has like a sweet cupcake smell. Has like a little metallic. It's really cute. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm excited to give this a try. I'm hoping that I can give a lot of this stuff a try very soon. Okay, this is the Morphe Make It Big. It's a mascara. Yeah, they added a mascara in here. This is the one. I've never tried Morphe's mascara, but obviously I'm excited to give it a try as well. And then another product is Swova Beauty Hydra Liner. I think it goes with that liquid liner thing. Oh, it wasn't even on. It looks like this. Is this supposed to look like that? Oh, hydrant. You're supposed to activate it with water. Water activated cake liner. Man. Um, I know that there was like things on here, or not reviews, but like what is it called? What's the thing called? Like people already showing everything. I didn't really look at what was in the box. I know that it had a picture of it. I decided to get it because I never got a Trendmood box before, and it had Morphe in it, so I like Morphe. So yeah. One thing I'm also really excited about is the P. Louise primer, eye primer. I follow a bunch of people that has used this and they love it. Alright, my last thing is blend the rules. This is 35O Supernatural Glow. This is like perfect for the fall. I'd assumed, because yeah, perfect for the fall. Aren't those shades pretty? I'm definitely going to give this stuff a try as well. I'm hoping that I can go live soon. Not live. I'm hoping that I can get a couple videos posted. I don't know today. George is taking a nap. I'm waiting on my dad. Like I said, I'm waiting on my dad to so I can go back to work. And maybe I'm hoping that I can give this stuff a try very soon. Like very soon. Maybe this week. Okay, so I did tell you guys to wait till the end of this video. You want to know why? It is because someone could win a Trendmood box. That's Morphe. From Morphe. Same one as this. So, I know Trendmood, a lot of people already has gotten this box. I know it's not a huge giveaway of any kind, but someone could easily just win this. You want to know how you guys can win this? All you need to do is like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and that's all you guys need to do. Now, I was not going to post or make a video just yet on this. Why, I don't know, but I am. It's just been one of those mornings. So someone can literally just win the same box that I just got. So, like I said, all you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe, and also comment on this video. And I will make a playlist for this giveaway. So make sure that you guys follow the directions. Now it only has to, you'll have to like this video, subscribe, and comment on this video only. If you guys do not, then you guys will not be entered. Everyone will get a chance to win on giveaways. I have future giveaways planning already and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm planning another there's like 2 more giveaways that I have, but I'm getting them somewhat together. So the only one that's together is technically this box. But yeah, I'll make a giveaway playlist here, and I will show you all the products. I'll make a video of this and the video of me trying out these products. I'm hoping probably tomorrow, which is the 8th, but we'll see on how that goes. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I know it's nothing like huge or anything, but you know, it's something, right? I just want to give back to you guys. I appreciate for those who follow me. I know my life is not too extravagant, but I mean, yeah, I try. Alright, you guys, I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.